Hi! Thank you for visiting my channel. Have you seen Demon Slayer Mugen Train? Kara-ni-san, I'm sure you have. This is the bento Rengoku-san eats in the movie. Today's ingredients. Before beginning, pre-cook multigrain rice and put in a bento box. See the link in the description for how to cook multigrain rice. Let's start. Boil an egg and cut in half. Slice half an onion. Cut shollots into 3 cm. Cut tofu into cubes or smallish pieces. Start cooking. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil into a fry pan over a mid-heat. And add shollots and the tofu. I light fry them. Add the onion and stir. Once one side of the tofu is done, turn it over and cook the other side. Don't forget to sometimes roll the shallots. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger, 200 grams of beef and cook it through. 2 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of dashi powder, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Half teaspoon of mirin and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir until everything is covered with the sauce, then turn off the heat. Place on top of your multigrain rice in the bento box. I can hear Rengoku-san saying, "Umai!" Quick and easy, so be ready because Rengoku-san will eat a lot of this bento. Thank you for watching. See you next time.